There are all sorts of reasons to be cheerful and positive about manufacturing in the Northwest. We're here in Lancashire today. Lancashire is the heartland of the manufacturing industry in the region, and the region is the heartland of manufacturing for the United Kingdom. So we're already doing really well, but with the new technologies and innovations that are coming in manufacturing, this region is set fair to do really well. We need to capitalise on digital manufacturing, the Internet of Things, but also some of the things like additive manufacturing, subtractive manufacturing. It's going to transform the landscape of how we manufacture products in the Northwest and sell them profitably to the world. The more we manufacture, the more we export, and I think that the Northwest will do that because we are the best in this country at taking on new technologies, adapting them, bringing our skilled workforce to bear on that and selling them right around the world.
How can the often talked about Northern Powerhouse Division help deliver jobs and growth for manufacturers in the Northwest?
Well, the Northern Powerhouse is about many things. It's clearly about devolution, and it's clearly about investment in transport infrastructure. But I think it's about collaborative working, and right across the north we've got great internationally competitive sectors, some of which are new, like robotics, photonics. There are new areas that we're starting to be very good at. We've got new technologies in material science, advanced materials, including graphene, where I think some real opportunities for us to do well. But if we can find those capabilities and capacity across the north, if we can collaborate in seeking global value chains, supply chains, where we can demonstrate that the north has a real asset to be able to sell to the world, I think we've got great prospects.
In terms of technology you mentioned earlier, is it realistic that technology can help us deliver reshoring of jobs back to manufacturers in this region?
I think it absolutely is already. I mean, why did people offshore? People offshored because manufacturing here in that old analogue sense was expensive, and if you wanted to break down the factors of cost in production of labour, materials, energy and overheads, labour was a very high proportion of that, so people went offshoring seeking a cheaper labour. But actually, if you invest in plant and equipment, if you invest in technology and innovation, then the labour element ceases to be such a high proportion of it. And with digital and with additive manufacturing, what people call sometimes 3D printing, it gives us the opportunity to do things in a different way. And so by investing in that innovation, we are really able to bring jobs back to the UK and hopefully back to the Northwest in manufacturing, because there's nothing better than making products, selling them to international customers around the world, selling them for a profit. It's what drives the whole economy.